Hello everyone, welcome back. Here Elena Corchero to tell you more crazy stuff about science and technology. Today to show you an awesome unboxing, which is for the new Nokia Sleep Sensing and Home Automation Pad. A very clever move from Nokia. They call it Know Your Nights, Master Your Days. And why do I want to show you this? Because the sleep aid market is exploding. It was valued in 2016 for about $50 million. Now that is projected to be $80 billion by 2020. Experience advanced sleep tracking, sleep quality assessment, sleep cycle monitoring, heart rate tracking, snoring detection, well, just in case you don't have the partner to kick you out of bed. Create home automation scenes with if this then that. Now that is quite something. You can control the coffee machine when the pad knows that you have left the bed. So I'm not gonna make you wait anymore. Let's open it up. It's a nicely designed box. Here are the instructions. This is the sleep pad that is flexible. And here there is a little box with the plugs, of course. Voila! I had a quick look at the instructions and actually it's super well explained. Everything you need is there. And now finally, let's try the product. It's super soft and squidgy. As you can remove the cover to wash it, let me show you what's inside. It looks like an inflatable Lilo. And here is the pneumatic sensor. Now let's place it under the mattress. It goes at the height of your chest. You are also gonna need to link it to the app. Obviously, that is the Nokia Health Mate app. If you don't use it already, go ahead and download it straight away. It says here, enjoy a holistic sleep solution. Data and trends, personalized insights, dedicated wellness programs. It will also link not just to the sleep band, but to any other Nokia Health product that you own. And which ones do we own? We have the Nokia Scale, the smartwatch, the thermometer, and the blood pressure reader. So as I said, I'm gonna try it out. I'm gonna tell you all about it. So please subscribe, tell everyone, give it a thumbs up if you like this video, and leave any comments below because I will answer all of your questions. See you very soon. Bye bye.